Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Vista HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Vista HR's account, firstly go ahead and open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in payroll.vistahrpro.com and make a search. You will end up on the login page of your Vista HR's account. Enter your corporate ID and password associated with your Vista HR's account. Enter a code given in the box and tap on Login. This is how you can log into your Vista HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.